So here we have the showcase of the Vibe car audio range, which we're launching this CES. Some of you in the UK may be familiar with the ICE award-winning 7-speaker, which is positioned here. But the big launch this year at CES is the plug-and-play installation available through the range of micro amplifiers and custom-fit speaker installs. All these products are available through all major retailers, but the benefits are huge, high-efficiency speakers based on the 7 award-winning speaker there, using all the best technology we can to bring a really efficient speaker to market. Using only requires a small amount of power. The amplifiers themselves also fit in line, so take power from the ISO loom, giving 4x65 watts available to each of the channels, meaning you can run full range speakers from a really small footprint amplifier. Each of the amplifiers is available in 2 forms, so standardized connection here, so they fit like a normal amplifier, or via a Molex connector and a T-harness available from Connect 2. The biggest step forward is the fact you can use the same micro amplifier to run a high output subwoofer. Subs themselves can take up to 550 watts RMS. The output of the amplifier there is 400 watts, and that can also run from the ISO at 4 ohm, or can be wired to the battery at 1 ohm to deliver the full amount of power. This allows you to have a really compact box and a plug-and-play solution which can be fitted in under an hour. It's the first of its kind to utilise a micro amplifier and a passive radiator sub to give you the big output from a small footprint amplifier, and a really easy installation. These launch in the UK from March onwards and available in all good retailers.